subscription. Income from member kalau dia nak guna facility at any time, tapi dia non-member, yang tu income from non-members. Okay. So non-members are those person who are not entitled to vote at general meeting of the club and society, and where effective control is exercised over its affair. So nak senang cerita, dia register lah sebagai member. Okay. So trading activity for members and non-members within the club premises are profit in nature and subjected to tax. Okay, kat sini pun ada cerita pasal cash donation. In case club tadi receive any donation kan, from members or non-members, is capital receipt and free from income tax. Okay, so macam trade association tadi, dia tengok donation tadi untuk specific project ke general project. Kalau general project, itu dikira sebagai revenue expenditure and subject to tax. Itu trade association Tapi kalau special project untuk donation yang diterima untuk special project, yang tu kita panggil dia sebagai capital expenditure, so not subject to tax. Tetapi dalam club and society, any cash donation, tak kira lah diterima daripada member ke non-member ke, semuanya diconsider sebagai capital receipt. Dan bila dia capital receipt, it is free from tax. Okay. Any dealings with non-members with regard to the following are treated as business income: fundraising activity, event open to public, rental received for hiring out the club's hall, facility, equipment to the public, macam Madam cerita tadi, kan? Amounts paid by non-member to attend dinners or social function, talk, presentation or workshop, proceed from non-member on charitable event. Ini semua dikira sebagai business income because the receipts is received from the non-members. Okay, sebab tadi kan kena separate account. Since 2009 kena separate account. Account member dengan account non-member. Okay. Okay, as income from members are exempted under section 53A2, the computation of adjusted income from non-members are as follow. So gross income from non-members. Okay. Ini yang subject to tax je lah. Ya, less revenue expenses. Ni pun kita kena kira. Ya. Macam tadi kan, common expenses attributable to. So you kena separatekan kan. Dan juga capital allowance. So dapat statutory income. So A ialah apa? A ialah common revenue expense. B ialah common capital allowance. B ialah gross income from transaction with non-members. Gross income from both members and non-members. Okay. Approved donation. So cash donation to an approved institution or organisation are entitled a deduction up to 10% of the aggregate income of the club and society. Ini kena hafal ya. Dulu pun you pernah kira company tax position, individual tax position, kena restrictkan donation to up to 10% of your aggregate income, right? Sama je dia punya tax treatment. However, the amount of deduction must be apportioned as follow. So G is cash donation under section 44 and aggregate income from transaction with non-members, aggregate income from transaction with members and non-members. Okay, deduction pun kena proportion. Okay, this is how you proportion it lah. Okay, Mina nak tanya, kalau sebelum ni, apakah investment income yang you faham? You invest, then what is your return? So, apa return dia? Bila kita invest, kita beli apa selalunya? Kita beli share kan? Ya, kita beli share. Okay, so return of the share ialah dividend. Pandai. So return of share ialah dividend. Sama juga, let's say kita individual ni, kita letak duit kita dalam ASB. Kan? ASB dikira RM1 satu saham. Okay. So return dia panggil dividend. Sama juga dengan konsep tabung haji. Okay. Bila you simpan, dikira berlabuh dekat syarikat ni. Okay. So investment income such as interest and rents will be accessible in the hands of club. Okay, so investment can also be when you own real property. Katalah kita ada rumah, itu pun kita panggil sebagai investment sebab dia boleh generate income, which is the rental income. So dividend is tax exempt under the single tier dividend. Ingat tak? Single tier dividend ni selalu dalam syarikat lah. Kenapa nama dia single tier dividend? Kita recap balik. Single tier dividend ni dia exempted from tax. Okay, kenapa? Mengikut peraturan di Malaysia, tax setiap syarikat di Malaysia sebelum dia distribute dividen kepada shareholders, okay, the companies will need to pay tax prior to the distribution of dividend to the shareholder. Maksudnya sebelum dia bagi dividen dekat shareholder dia tu, dia kena bayar tax. Dah siap bayar tax, katalah dia dapat net profit 100,000. So kena bayar tax 28%, so ada 720,000 remaining. Okay, so 720,000 tu lah dia bahagikan kepada shareholders. Jadi dah bersih daripada tax. Sebab tu single tier dividend ni dah tak payah dah. Orang yang terima single tier dividend ni dah tak payah dah kena bayar tax lagi. Okay. Sebab satu income satu kali je tax. Dia tak ada double taxation. Okay. Okay, tax computation, the dealing with member and non-member are two distinct business source. Sebab tadi effective 2009, okay, kita dah buka dua account. Kan, satu untuk member, okay, urus niaga ataupun transaction with member of the club or societies, and another account is open for transaction in club or society members. Okay, so when you expenses that are directly related to either member or non-members are deducted fully from that source. Tapi kalau dia common revenue expense tu, kita kena proportion dia tadi kan, pengiraan dia Madam rasa macam logik lah. Kalau you tak hafal pun you boleh fikir dengan logik. Okay, sebab katakanlah ini cash donation tu, ini ialah belanja tu, contoh belanja tu nak kira berapa belanja yang attributed to non-members. Okay, so mestilah hasil daripada non-members divide by total hasil antara member dengan non-member. Okay. Revenue expenses incurred in generating income from both members and non-members would be, however, a portion using gross income basis. These expenses are known as common expenses. For example, administrative, salaries, postage, stationery, and printing expenses. Okay. So exemption, state clubs that are affiliated to the Olympic Council of Malaysia may apply for exemption provided under Para 26 Schedule 6. Okay, so record keeping, income derived from transaction with members and non-members are required to be separately accounted for. Record keeping has to be kept for 7 years. Tax filing pula, the tax return is to be furnished on or before 30th June in the following YA. Okay, jadi dia macam business, business pun bukan company tau. Business maksudnya untuk milikan tunggal, individual for business. Dia punya YA tu, dia punya tax filing tu ended 30th June. Tapi kalau individual without business income, dia punya tax filing date dia 30th April. Okay. Okay, habis kita punya discussion untuk hari ini. Okay. Let's look. Masa sikit lagi. Ini untuk apa? Okay. Kalau you ada buku Chong Private tu, okay, you can refer to page, ni example 22.1. To page 250. Okay, majukan. Okay, so kita tengok ini untuk soalan apa ni? Soalan cooperative society. Okay, mana madam sempat cover dia punya contoh tu, kita cover. Okay, so hari ni kita dah cover 3 cooperative society, kita dah cover apa nama tu? Trade association dan juga club and society. Tiga-tiga tu tax treatment dia berbeza. Okay. Okay, so let's look example 22.1. Okay, yang ni pun madam dah share dalam you future. Okay. So, Maju Ikan Berhad was first registered as a cooperative society on 1st January 2016. Okay. Tak boleh besar dah. Nampak kan? Sorry kalau tak nampak. Sebab madam nak tulis kat sini. Ini ialah registration date dia. Okay, so this is the registration date. Its objective to promote is to promote training, sharing of know-how on fisheries among members of fishermen, as well as provide credit facility to its members. Okay. So the cooperative society closes its account 31st December every year. Okay. So the following are the result for the year ended 31st December 2019. So statutory income, interest income from members. Okay, sebab apa dia dapat interest income? Sebab dia pergi bagi credit facility ni tadi. Kan? Kalau kita bagi pinjaman, okay, income kita ialah interest income. Jadi ini adalah business income dia ke tidak? Adakah dia business income? Sekejap sebab dia kata sharing know-how is objective is to promote training, sharing of know-how on fisheries among members of fishermen as well as provide. Jadi dia jadi business income sebab credit facility ni is one of the main objectives of the cooperative society. Okay, macam bank lah. Bank kan bagi loan kepada kepada public. Okay, so bila dia bagi loan, dia punya return dia dapat interest kan. Kita kena bayar interest on loan. So bank punya main business income dia ialah loan. Loan pula, sorry. Interest on loan tadi, interest. Jadi interest on loan tu dia akan jadi section 4A. Sebab tengok dia punya main business activity. Sebenarnya kalau kalau katalah activity business tu ialah manufacturing, tapi dia dapat interest income, so interest income tu should be fall under section 4C. Okay, which is non-business income. Okay, so sebab tu madam nak tengok tadi adakah main activity dia provide credit facility, ya. So interest income from members tadi 260,000 ni ialah dia punya business income. So ni under section 4A. Okay. Dividend income single tier section 4D. However, ni single tier ya. Exempted kan? So discuss the accessibility of income of Maju Ikan Berhad being the cooperative society for YA 2019. All cooperative society, okay, ni answer to example. All cooperative society are exempted from income tax for a period of 5 years from the date of registration. Okay, so kalau dia start 2016, kalau 5 tahun sampai bila? 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 dan 2020. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so cukup 5 tahun. Tapi soalan ni nak kira untuk YA 2019, which is baru tahun ke-4. Jadi, in this case, maju ikan would enjoy income tax exemption from 1st January 2016 until 31st December 2020. For YA 2019, the business income would enjoy income tax exemption. Kalau tak, akan dikenakan tax lah. As dividend already under single tier, it would be exempted. Jadi, chargeable income dia nil. Okay? So, any question untuk example ni? Kalau tak ada, kita pergi ke example yang seterusnya. Ada tak? No question?
Tak ada, madam.
Next. Okay, ni pula. Example 22.2. KKB was first registered as a cooperative society on 1st January 2013. Consistent with its objective, KBB runs a bookstore which is funded by its members and is open to the public. The audited accounts for the year ended 31st December 2019 contain the following information. So, dia ada bookstore. Okay, statutory income dia 145,000 and dividend gross. Okay, so kita tengok kat sini, ini ialah registration date. So kat sini dia punya registration date. Okay, jadi kalau kita tengok 2013, 2014 nak kira sampai 5 tahun. Exemption 5 tahun kan. So, consistent with its objective, KBB runs a bookstore, okay, which is funded by its member and open to the public. The audited accounts for the year ended 31 December 2019 contains the following information. So, kita ada bookstore and dividend at gross. Okay, so the balance sheet showed the following: paid up share capital, subscribed capital, share premium, statutory reserve fund, unappropriated profit, member saving accounts and member loan. Jadi, the computation of members fund at the beginning of the basis period of 1st January 2019. Tadi ingat tak masa madam bagi lecture tadi, apakah item yang patut to be included in the computation of members fund? Okay, since the members fund below 750,000 is therefore exempt from the payment of income tax for YA 2019. Okay, jadi kan kalau kita tengok the first 5 years, sebab dia punya registration date ialah 2013. Okay, so the first 5 years until 2017 tax exemption. Tetapi dia akan dapat further exemption jika dia punya members fund dia kurang daripada 750,000. Okay, jadi kalau kita tengok kat sini, paid up share capital 200,000 masuk. Okay, Lepas tu share premium account masuk tak tadi? Yes, masuk. Statutory reserve fund, yes included. Unappropriated profit, tak masuk lah. Yes, masuk. Okay. Dan members loan account ini bukan equity ya. Members loan account ini lebih kepada asset. Okay. Jadi total members fund is actually 568,000 which is less than 750,000 dan kita kena kira berapa dia punya chargeable income. So since kita boleh bagi alasan since the members fund at the beginning of basis period of YA 2019 is less than 750,000, so KBB can enjoy the tax exempt for YA 2019. Okay, lepas tu kita tengok lagi last. Okay, so here nak conteng. Okay, so Bookworm Berhad BB was registered as a cooperative society since 2001. Okay, so kita kira lah. Kalau 2001, kalau 5 tahun pertama, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The objective of the cooperative is to promote the reading of Japanese comic in University Malaya. Consistent with its objective, Bookworm Berhad runs a bookstore at the Faculty of Business and Accountancy, which is funded by its members and is open to the undergraduates. The audited accounts for the year ended to 31st December 2019 contain the following information. So years end dia 31st December 2019, income dia from bookstore profit and dividend at gross. So expenditure, interest on loan, audited net profit, dividend paid to members during the year, contribution to cooperative education trust fund, transfer to statutory reserve fund and unappropriated profit for the year. So the members fund as at 1st January 2019 was computed as follow. Okay, so paid up share capital 200,000. Okay, subscribe capital 75,000, share premium 50,000, statutory reserve fund masuk juga sebagai members fund dan juga last one is unappropriated profit. Therefore, kalau you kira dia punya members fund as at 1st January 2019, okay, is 800,000 which is more than 750,000. Okay, so dia tak dapat further tax exempt for 2019. Okay, sebabnya it is not below 750,000. Jadi income tax will be charged lah to the untuk soalan ni. So nanti madam akan soalan latihan berkenaan dengan kopi dekat user. Tapi in the meanwhile, boleh try soalan berkenaan dan juga club future folder. So satu untuk cooperative society, satu lagi ada zip folder ya untuk apa kita panggil tu, trade association dan club and society. Okay, so far any questions before we end the class? Boleh tak faham untuk lesson hari ni?
Boleh, madam.
Boleh So thank you for joining me today. I had full attendance. It's just for me to tengok balik sebab ada yang tak Ada yang belum tick lagi. Just nak make sure the one yang belum tick tu attended. Sebab kalau tengok ni dah cukup dah 35 orang student. Yang ni Nur Afiqah Humaira. Ada tak?
Ada.
Kau
Lupa.
ada kan? Nanti ni
Boleh.
nanti minta tolong. Okay, thank you. And then
Ada.
Nora Shikin Syafiqah. Ada? Nora Shikin Syafiqah. Ada tak?